Kickstart your journey to a healthier lifestyle with the Garmin Forerunner 945. The Forerunner 945 is designed by Garmin for fitness buffs who always go the extra mile. Out of the box, the Forerunner 945 is designed with a stylish form factor. The unit we got is in a sexy matte black color, but it also comes in blue. Comfort is king with its soft silicone-based strap paired with a fiber-reinforced polymer bezel. It also has an incredible water resistance rating of 5 ATM, making it suitable for light water sports. The device boasts a 1.2-inch colored display with a 240 by 240 resolution protected by Corning Gorilla Glass, making it resistant to light scratches. The Forerunner 945 features a wide array of nifty performance tracking functions such as VO2 max and training status with specified adjustments for heat, altitude, and recovery time among others. It can also serve as a navigation tool with its built-in GPS, compass, and gyroscope. What's more impressive is that the Forerunner 945 is able to store up to 200 hours of activity data, allowing its users to track their progress with better detail. Grab your very own Garmin Forerunner 945 for 38,995 pesos.